Welcome to this training. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to use the Microsoft Word to do Excel tasks. That means we're going to insert Excel worksheet directly into the Microsoft Word environment. Join me in the class as we do this together. Okay, welcome back to my class. I will be showing you how to insert an Excel worksheet into Microsoft Word directly. So sometimes you are creating a report and you have the text aspect, of your report, and then you want to have the worksheets or the table, but you don't want to go to Microsoft Excel and do that separately. You want to have the Excel worksheet inserted directly here. So all you just need to do is position your cursor where you want. So where you want your, so let's assume that this is the text part of your report. Okay. So you already have the text part of your report, and then you have your table, and you want your table to be here. So you go to the insert tab, and then you go to table, and then you see Excel spreadsheet. So all you just need to do is click this Excel spreadsheet option, and you see that the environment will change. If you look at the top, it has changed to Excel environment. So what it means is that everything you do in Excel, you can do here. So you can have your table, let's say serial number, let's say names, staff name, and or let's say products. Let me just put product, and then maybe QTY, and then months. No, unit price, and then maybe month. So you can see everything that can be done in Excel. I can even do this to increase the number. So let's say product A, product B, product C, product D, product E, and product F. Quantity 10 here, 12, 23, 11, 13, and maybe 22. Unit price 120, 110, 100, 200, 210, and maybe 239. So all this is done in MS Word, as you can see. All the formatting and everything that I want to do is done in MS Word environment. So I can put my borderline. I can even put my formula. Then I can say this multiplied by this. Okay, get my answer, drop the formula down, and then of course close the resize. You can resize. Okay, so maybe a little bit bigger, if not. So this is my table in the Excel format and then in the Word. So all I just need to do when I'm done is to click outside the table, and voila, I have my worksheet table, in neatly. Can you see? So neat, and all the calculations and everything that I needed to do, I've done it. And if I need to go back and double click into the table, it will take me back to the Excel environment. You double click in the table, then it takes you back to the Excel environment. It opens your Excel, so you can do whatever you think you still need to do, to make your Excel worksheet in the proper form that you want it to be, and all that you have to do. And once you are done, you click outside and you have your table. So you don't have to take reports separately, report that has to do with calculations or spreadsheet or whatever. You don't have to take it separately to Excel and attach to your Word document. You can do it directly in the MS Word environment. So this is where I'm going to stop on this. I hope you got something in this class. So see you in another session. We'll be looking at something more, other things, important topics in MS Word also. Bye for now.